guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited about what we're going to be doing today, but we're going to be doing a little bit of a different technique. I'm super excited. I'm glad to see you guys here. I'm sorry I haven't been here, but I'm going to be better. I bulk uploaded and recorded a whole bunch of videos, so we're not going to have this problem again. Without further ado, let's jump into it, but let's enjoy the intro first. Mwah. Alright, so you guys already know how I do. Let's jump right into it. Before we move forward, I want you guys to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's super duper free. So I'm actually going to be starting off on this canvas with some Liquitex gel paste. It is a molding paste so that you can create texture on your pieces. It's amazing. You just put it down and you let it dry and you paint over it, and it leaves this amazing texture to your pieces. It adds so much character to what you're creating. So I'm going to be putting that down, and then I'm going to let it dry for about an hour. So now I'm just going to take a spray bottle and some water, and I'm going to spray the canvas down, and this is just going to make it so that the paint that I put down first, and I'm going to be putting it down with my hands, that's why I have on gloves, it's not going to be so opaque. I want it to be a little bit more translucent, and I just want this darker color to get in the cracks and crevices of the paste that I put down. You'll see. As always, all of the brands and paints will be in the description box below. So I mixed together ultramarine blue and a Mars black to get this dupe of a Prussian blue. I always mix my colors myself. And I'm just going to be taking a flat brush and I'm going to put that color down. And it's going to mix a little bit with the black, but that's okay because I want it to be a deeper blue. I am blending out those edges of this blue because I don't want it to look so harsh. I want it to look like a natural gradient. And I am mixing a little unbleached titanium white. When you are using your abstract pieces, especially when you want it to look a little bit more distressed, using unbleached titanium is a game changer. It'll make your pieces look more sophisticated when you're using a unbleached titanium versus something that's so stark white. Now I just about have it where I want it to be. I'm going to go in and I'm just going to add some finishing touches up with my hands. I use my hands to blend a lot. I'm taking some bleached titanium now and I'm just going over some of the textured pieces, the textured part, so that it's gonna highlight it. I'll do a close-up so that you guys can see what I mean by highlighting those textured areas. It's gonna be so beautiful. As always, thank you guys for joining. I'm going to show you guys the finished product in just a moment. I will see you guys next time. Mwah.